This video will show you how to view and share content from Real Presence Mobile. During a video conference, other participants may want to share content with you. When others share content, you see the content in full screen mode and remote participants appear across the bottom. You can also share many types of content from your own mobile device. This includes local documents, photos, websites, and files in Dropbox. Additionally, you can display and draw on a whiteboard or blackboard. Do the following steps to share a photo with other participants. First, while in a conference, touch the menu icon to display more options. Next, tap the content icon in the toolbar and select Photos. Choose the photo you wish to share and click Done. Remote participants now see the photo you are sharing. You can also zoom in or move the photo or draw on the photo. Click Stop Sharing to stop the photo sharing and return to the conference layout. Enjoy your meeting.